Sanibona, ngiyethemba niyaphila and welcome to another video yalapha kaKhula Academy. So in this video sizobe sikhuluma on how to find an equation. Last video besketcha yabo sasketcha wonke ama types of problems. La ngizokutshengisa how to find the equation, which is something nayo that's very easy. Equation isuke ilahle kakhulu yabo. So let's say you're given a graph given a graph yeparabola yakho mhlambe kanje yabo, and then you're given a turning point mhlambe turning point uthi ubani ibo 3 and -2, then you're given a point elikwe graph elobani elo 5 10. So la sele sithi kahle it's given turning point and one other point. So la you're given a turning point yabo. So uyazi vele ukuthi fake usebenzise ini i turning point formula. Turning point formula kithini ke yayithi y equal to a x minus p all squared plus q, ngiyabo, and then p value x value turning point and then q y value. So ngizalana mina ngithini ngithi ayithi value wena usunayo turning point la nayi phela turning point yakho, ngiyabo. So uzothi y equals to a x minus i-value ka3 kalo ka p uyayishintsha ka x, so 3 uzoba positive 3 because okay yazi kahle kahle kanjani ayithi yabo i-general form ithi x minus p, so shoot kahle kahle x minus ubani my xa ngilungisela usayichazela lento la kuzoba x minus 3 all squared. So ayithi yabo ngoba i-general form yakho kulokhuzana ku x minus p uyabo, so shuthi le sign la swema isibuyela la kwi-equation yakho semele ishintshe uyabo, shuthi kuzobe ku x minus ayithi vele lapha usuna positive 3 should vele kuzobe x minus 3 la ngithi yabo u negative 3 la seyena positive 3. Hope uyayibona lento leyo. Plus i-value yami la q wami negative minus 2 shuka hlahle ngino y equals a of x minus 3 all squared minus 2. So I need i-value ka a la ngithi yabo. So uze ngithole i-value ka a sekumele ngithini ke I must substitute leli linye point enginalo which is 5 and 10 yabo. Sikhaleni sa y ngithi 10 equals to a open bracket 5 minus 3 all squared minus 2 yabo. Solve imath yakho soba no 12, so mtranspose lo uza ngala ushintshe sign and then should ube u10 plus 2 which is 12 equals to a u5 minus 3 lokho kwenza u2 all squared yabo, divider and lento le number lezo okay angenze kanje, so 12 equals a times 4 yabo. So divide ngo4 divide ngo4 ngithola ukuthi a wami uzoba u3. Therefore le equation uma sengiyibhala shikahle kahle it's y equals u3 of x minus 3 all squared minus 2. This is the formula yakho. Usually kodwa bazothini bazothi keep it in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c yabo. So simply into yenza lana ke usuthini ke you just need to factor out leli brackets leli should kuzoba 3 times x squared minus 6 x plus 9 minus 2 should y equals 3x squared plus minus is minus 6 12 18 18x plus 9, 18, 27 minus 2. And then y work is going to be 3x squared minus 18x 27 minus 2 plus 25. Okay, I hope ayikho mistake engiyenzile, but lo uyi-equation yakho nalo same thing. Yabo? Okay, so that's where you're given in. You are given a turning point and one other point. Yabo? There's gonna be any example again where manje you're given inik. Sibiza ngokuthini, you're given x intercepts and one at the point. You're given x intercepts and one at the point. Yabo? So ngizokwenza le example ne. So you have a graph. It's easy. Yabo? And then quick graph yako, you have something like this. You have only x value 1 and 0. Lengala x value 3 and 0. Then you're given a certain point with the low 4 and 6. Yabo? So if you're given ama-x intercepts, obviously kumele wenze njani bafowethu? Kumele usebenzise iformula yani yama-x intercepts. Sinale formula ethini ethi y equals a x minus x1 x minus x2, where x1 no x2 ama-turning point akho siyawashintsha ama-sign. So ngithi y equals a of x minus x1 ube ubani, ube u1, then x minus x2 u3. Yabo? Ayithi yabo la no minus 1, la no minus 3, la no 1 no 3. Yona nto engisho sifawushintsha ama-sign. Kodwa sesidinga ivalue ka-a, ngithi yabo simple, unikiwe leli point leli, ngithi yabo. So you sub lipi point u4 and 6. Shuthi la ngizothi 6 equals a open brackets 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 3. Shuthi it's 6 equals a 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. Shuthi 6 equals a3, a times 3 ngithi yabo, divide ngo3, divide ngo3, bazokhanselana ngala, ngizosala nokuthi 6 divided by 3 u2, that equals a. Therefore equation yakho izobani u2 x minus 1 x minus 3. Simple, simple, simple. Mabe ngathi ke bayifuna in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Very simple nakhona, you just factor out, uzofoila out in lama brackets lawo. Ngizosala nokuthi shuthi y equals 2 times x squared minus 3x minus x plus 4. So shuthi y is going to be 2x squared minus 4x plus 4. Shuthi y wakho uzoba 2x squared minus 8x plus 8. Na formula yakho nansi futhi nala. So it's as simple as that bafowethu. Angeke izishintshe, angeke kwenzeke lutho oluhlukile what not, cha, angeke uze kwenzeke konke lokho. Uyabo? Okay, let's do just one more example. Yabo? You're given a graph ezoma kanje. Yabo? Given leli point leli negative 3 and 0. Given leli point leli 2 and 0. Given some other arbitrary point ezoba 1 and 8. Yabo? So you use the turning point form, y equals a x minus x naught x minus x2. Okay, since x1 la metric. All right, then y wakho equal to a x minus negative 3 fire mayishintsha sign ngala plus 3 x minus x2 uzoba minus 2. Okay, very good. So ngidinga u-a anginayo ngithi yabo. So I need to sub leli linye point ebeli extra, which was 1,8. So ngizoba no 8 la equal to a 1 plus 3 1 minus 2. Shoot to 8 equals 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Shoot to 8 will equal to a times negative 4. Divide on negative 4, divide on negative 4, bakhanselane. Ngisale nokuthi a wami will equal to negative 2. Therefore, equation yam will be negative 2 times x plus 3 no x minus 2. Mabeyifuna in standard form bisi right njalo nala isiphelele, kodwa makwenzeka mhlawumbe beyifuna in standard form sizothi therefore y wakho equal to minus 2. Masoyenze njani? Ufoyela out ama brackets. X squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. Then y equal to minus 2 x squared 3 plus x minus 6. Should 2y wakho equal to minus 2x minus 2x x squared minus 12. And that will be all for a video namhlanje. Please stay tuned. Ngiyathemba ukuthi understandile ukuthi bekwenzakalani. Stay tuned for ama videos alandelayo. Ngiyabonga. Please like and subscribe. Lokho kuyangigqugquzela kakhulu ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngenze ama video afanye kanye nalawo. Yabo nje nguthatha ukubheka kulama video lawo slow nje sithi nje wanya yonke into wanya. The real deal izongenahle uma sisenza ama past paper ndawonye yabo. So really stay tuned until senza ama past paper because into eningi zobe sengayichazi lapha singiphendula imibuzo nje kuphela. Ngiyabonga.